How to connect virtual machine to host computer. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect a virtual machine to your host computer using VirtualBox. We will cover how to set up the network, share files, and test the connection. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up a host on the network. First, open VirtualBox and select your virtual machine. Click on Settings, then go to the Network tab. Under Adapter 1, check Enable Network Adapter. Change the attached to drop down the host-only adapter. Then click OK to save settings. This creates a private network between your VM and your host. Step 2. Share a folder between host and VM. Now, let's share a folder between the host and the virtual machine. Go back to Settings and go to the Shared Folders tab. Click the little folder icon with a plus sign to add a new shared folder. Choose a folder from your host and check Auto Mount and make permanent. Click OK. This will allow your VM to access files from your host easily. Step 3. Test the connection. Start your virtual machine and log in. Open the command prompt and type ipconfig to find the IP address. On your host machine, open another command prompt and type this. You should see replies coming back. This means the connection is working. And that's it. You successfully connect your virtual machine to your host computer, shared a folder, and verified the network connection. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.